Milwaukee Sullivan has issued a tornado warning for northwestern Rock County in south-central Wisconsin, southeastern Dane County in south-central Wisconsin, southwestern Jefferson County in southeastern Wisconsin, until 8:15 p.m. At 7:34 p.m., a severe thunderstorm capable of producing a tornado was located near Albany, or near Evansville, moving northeast at 55 miles an hour. Hazard, tornado. Source, radar indicated rotation. Impact, flying debris will be dangerous to those caught without shelter. Mobile homes will be damaged or destroyed. Damage to roofs, windows, and vehicles will occur. Tree damage is likely. Locations impacted include Stoughton, Edgerton, Evansville, Deerfield, Cambridge, Lake Ripley, Lake Koshkonong, Fulton, Albion, Utica, Rockdale, Mossville, Cooksville, and Indian Ford. Take cover now. Move to a basement or an interior room on the lowest floor of a sturdy building. Avoid windows. If you are outdoors, in a mobile home, or in a vehicle, move to the closest substantial shelter and protect yourself from flying debris.